your workbooks and your notebooks and your pencils, of course. We're gonna do the passive voice again today, but as you remember, last week we learned present passive. Let's remember present passive. For making sentences in present passive, we were using emizar and verb 3. Okay, emizar, verb 3. For example, I am given a gift by my boyfriend, or she is called Lucy. Okay, they call her Lucy, or she is called Lucy. Okay, this is present passive. And we also have past passive. In past passive sentences, simple past passive sentences, we use was, were, and verb 3. It means that verb 3 means that go, verb 1, went, verb 2, gone, verb 3, or see, verb 1, saw, verb 2, seen, verb 3. Okay, please memorize the irregular verbs on page 132 and 133 because it is very important for passive voices, passive structure, and also for present perfect tense. Okay, so please write this in your notebooks. Okay, this is your homework. Write this in your notebooks. This is on page 93, and let's do the exercises. If you make exercises, if you do the exercises, doing this again, it will work better. You will learn better. You will memorize better. So let's do it. Was for singular, were for plural. Okay, this is in the past. This website, this is singular, so I'm going to put here was. Visit is regular, so I have to put ed. So was visited. Why? This is question. For question, you remember that I have to use helping verb was or were at the beginning of the sentence after the WH question words. Email is something singular, so we have to use was here. And send is an irregular verb. Sent. Why was this email sent twice? And number 3, the tickets for the show. This is negative sentence. Okay, negative sentence. I use negative form after was or were. The tickets for the show, this is plural, so I have to use were. Book means yer ayırtmak. Okay, ayırtmak. Okay, the tickets for the show, plural, were. Negative, weren't, were not. Book is regular, booked on the internet. And this is also question sentence, but there is no question word, so I have to use was or were at the beginning of the sentence. I'm deciding by looking at the subject. If the subject is plural, I have to put here were. Okay, take is irregular, so for irregular verbs, take, verb 1, took, verb 2, taken, verb 3. Were these photos, because this is plural, were these photos, plural, taken with your mobile phone. Okay, and this laptop, this is not a question, this is not negative, this is positive sentence, affirmative sentence. Laptop, this is not plural, singular, so I have to use was. Sell is irregular. For sell, I have to use sell, verb 1, sold, verb 2, sold, verb 3. Verb 2 and verb 3, they are the same. So this laptop was sold for 2,000 euros. Okay. This video game game is singular, so I have to use was here. Test is irregular. It is not irregular, this is regular, so I have to put ed. This video game was tested by teenagers. And 7, before 1990, the internet is singular, so I have to use was. And this is negative, so I have to use wasn't. Use is regular, I have to put ed. So I will say before 1990 the internet wasn't used by everyday people. So mobile phones, plural, plural, and regular were invented in the 1950s. I hope you understand. Let's check them. Good. Very nice. Okay, let's go. Listen and number the sentences in the correct order. Okay, listen and put the numbers in the correct order.
Welcome back to our show. Tonight on New Technologies, we talk about how the internet has changed the world of music. Take, for example, a pop band. These days, new musicians often meet online for the first time. Then they decide they want to play music together and form a band. When the band is formed, they make their own music using modern computer technology. Then the band will record their songs. To do so, most bands use special computer programs on the internet. After that, they upload their songs onto websites. If they're lucky, people will find them interesting and start downloading the music. In a short time, the songs can be downloaded by thousands or even millions of people. This way they can become famous in a few weeks. Success can come really fast on the internet.
Okay, if you didn't understand, you can stop the video, you can rewind and listen the audio again. I won't make you listen the audio again. I will give you the answers. Okay, songs are uploaded onto websites, new musicians meet on the internet, songs are recorded using computer programs, people download the songs from the internet, the band becomes famous, the musicians form a band. Let's see the answer. Check your answers, please. Okay. So, we finished. And listen 3. Listen and read the magazine article. Okay, magazine article, it means text. What does Ellen like about Speed 2? Okay, listen.
We asked 3 teenagers in different countries about their favorite video games, and this is what they told us. Jenny, 14, Australia.
I can't stand most video games because they are usually boring. But I love Skyrise. In Skyrise, you are given a number of planes to choose from, and you can control them just like a real pilot does. I prefer small planes to large planes because you can also make them fly upside down or in circles. I lose if I crash my plane, but that's fun too.
Harris, 13, Cyprus.
My favourite video game of all time is Football Champion. It's an amazing game if you're a football fan. Every year, new teams are added, so it's always new and exciting. You can control your favourite team or player. Sometimes it's difficult to win all the matches and the final cup, but you get better as you play. Still, I prefer playing real football to playing video games.
Alan, 12, England.
My favourite video game is Speed 2. It's a car racing game where you can choose which car you want to drive. You can also choose extra things that you can add to your car, like a different colour or faster wheels. I've become very good at this game and I can go to the next level quite easily. I prefer this video game to other car racing games because you can make the race exactly as you like it.
Okay. So, your homework is on page 94. Exercise 2 comprehension part. Okay, you are going to write who says these sentences. Choose J for Jenny, H for Harris, or A for Ellen. Read the paragraphs again. Let's go back here. And please translate these sentences into Turkish in your notebooks. This is your homework and this is your homework. Okay? For this lesson, I think that's enough. See you later. Okay, take care. Bye. Love you.